Good morning to everyone. Generally, human beings externally clean themselves by bath, brushing teeth, etc. But in the yoga, there will be a beautiful techniques to cleanse internal organs. So today we are going to know Sutraneti Kriya, which cleans from nasal root to throat. Sutraneti made up with a cotton thread or a rubber catheter. It is easily available online. Benefits of Sutraneti. Sutraneti, along with Jalaneti, has the power to cure all nasal related disorders like sinusitis, blockage of nasal passage. It massages the membranes and sinus glands, strengthening. It is also good for nose and throat, tonsillitis, and catarrh. It is beneficial in dealing with asthmatic condition and making breathing easier. By practicing this kriya weekly once, enter ENT region thus prevents with many disorders. Sutraneti also makes the brain cells fresh and refresh, improves the function of the tear duct and olfactory zone of the brain. It helps to stimulate the nerves and improves function of the eyes and eyesight. This practice greatly assists in balancing the airflow of the two nostrils. Sutraneti also plays vital role in solving the problems of insomnia. Drowsiness and sleeping disorders also can be cured through it. By practicing Sutraneti is good to boost concentration and memory. At present situation, COVID-19 coronavirus staying first at throat region. By practicing this kriya, it will help to remove all the virus from the throat. Like so many benefits, contraindications. Those are suffering with severe high BP, heart problems, headache, migraine, blockage of nose, infections and bleeding, they should not practice. Precautions. Before this kriya, the rubber catheter should be cleaned with lukewarm salt water. It is better to practice at sunrising time with empty stomach. Before this kriya, you should practice Jalaneti kriya. Make sure your fingernails are cut before you insert it on the throat. When you do this kriya, you should not go outside. So this is the rubber catheter. Insert in one nostril, which nostril is free. When the thread has come through to the back of the throat, put the index and middle fingers into the mouth. Catch hold of the thread and take it out carefully and slowly through the mouth. With the two hand support, thread can be moved forward and backward approximately 20 times, then take out slowly through the mouth. In between, sneeze forcefully. All the impurities going outside perfectly. Same process opposite nostril also. Those who are suffering with nasal allergy, they should practice weekly twice. Other people weekly once is enough. By practicing again and again, you can insert two or three rubber catheters at once. Please insert with your comfortable as much as you can. Don't insert forcefully. So by practicing this kriya, wonderful results will come, especially for nasal allergy. migraine, headache. When you do this kriya on the day, both nostrils are free. Maximum oxygen enter in your body. This is works like a anti-cancer. Thank you for watching this video.